how to make money with selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling printable wooden stationery on Etsy. So let's get started by opening Etsy.com to show you examples of the product that we will be selling. So here, let's go to the search, type printable wooden stationery, and here click on search to see the examples of this product. So here, let's wait for it to complete loading, and then we will scroll down to see examples of this product, like here within planner printable PDF, PLR party invites, baby shower invitation, vintage landscape. That's not what we were looking for. And here, if you scroll down, you will see 250 plus page Canva within planner template, water bottle label template. No, that's not what we were looking for. Here we have customizable wooden stationery. So this is what we were looking for, and it's a digital product. So here, let's check this product here. Let's click on this product, but it's not a popular product here. So we need to find the popular ones, like this one in here. It's popular now and it costs $1. Let's see if we are going to find another popular one. Here we have this one. Let's see, here we have the popular ones: wildflower within invitation template, within planner printable. I think let's go with this one here, which is Etsy's pick, or we can go with something that is popular now. And here we have a bestseller, greenery within invitation suit. So let's go with this one here, and let's go to the shop page to see the name of the shop, to go spy on it to see how many sales they have made and from what month they started, and all of those things. So here, let's scroll down. And guys, the thing is, I like digital products because they are very easy to work with, and also you can make a lot of money with them. Because here, if someone pays $44.50 for the product, that's what you're going to take to your pocket. It's not like the physical products where you need to pay a lot of fees, pay the shipping, pay the partner that is taking care of the shipping and packaging, pay the packaging fees, pay for the refunds, and also keep in mind the returns and the refunds and all of these sort of problems. In here, you don't have all of those problems. No refunds and no returns in digital products. Client pays the money, gets his product, and that's it. And you won't be involved in any of the problems that these people, in any of the problems that the physical products people are facing. So here you can see that it's an editable template, free demo. Try before you buy. Copy and paste the link below into your browser, mobile, tablet, laptop, or computer. And this is what's included, how it works. Once you have finished editing, print home, and here where to print, what can be edited, what cannot be edited for other matching items, customization, refunds, returns, exchanges. As all the items in the shop are digital downloads, we do not offer refund, returns, exchanges, but please contact us if you have any problems with your order or have any query. As I said, guys, you won't have to deal with any of the problems that are available in the physical products with digital products in here. No refunds, no returns, no exchanges. So you are going to take this amount of money straight to your pocket. So let's go to another platform called Everbee to see how much money this person is making from this one only product here. So let's go to this platform where we can spy on the shop. Let's wait for it to load. And here let's go to sign up for free. Let's still wait for it to complete loading. And here click on sign up for free and wait for it to load. Here give it a few seconds and let's go to the shop analyzer. Here you will be able to see the gross revenue, average order value, total orders, and all of these things, but you will need to pay or to upgrade for the paid version. But we won't need that. We will be able to see everything we need with the free version only. So here let's wait for this to load, and here let's go to this page to copy the name of the shop. So let's scroll down to see the name of the shop. Here let's copy it and let's go and type the name, click on search. So guys, we are going to see how many sales that this shop has got and when did they start the shop and their total sales. So here let's go to your right, and this is the shop's age, 65 months. So that is, I think, more than 4 years or something like that. It's around 4 or 5 years. Yeah, it's more than 5 years here, more than 5 years. And here you will be able to see total shop sales, more than 300,000 sales, as you can see in here. More than 300,000 sales, which is a very amount of money. Too much money has been made with this shop. And here let's look for the product that we saw before, which costs approximately $5, I think. And newspaper wedding program, photo gift box sign. We need the product that costs $5, or we can just check another product here. We can check the first product that they have shown us, which is newspaper wedding program. It's also a digital product. Let's wait for it to load to see the listing age from 16 months, and this is the amount of reviews. That means this product made them more than 800 sales, and this is the reviews per month, which means they are making more than 52 sales per month with this only product. And if you can do the math, you can multiply $8 by or on multiply, you can make $8 times 52 sales, and you will see how much money they're making per month with this only product here. And if you don't have anything to do, you can just do the same with the other products, and you will be able to guess how much money these people are making per month with all of their products. And guys, if you want to create products like this one, you'll just have to go to canva.com, and here wait for it to load. Let's give it a few seconds to load. Then you will come to the search and you will type printable within stationery, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates that can help you create products like that. So here you will be able to see a lot of templates for the printable within stationery. You can just take the template, make changes to it, add your touch, and you will be left with your own product. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.